Hey guys, welcome back. Toca cheese my channel. Today I wanted Toca cheese create this video because
many of you don't have VIP and want to see what's new. I know I used to win. I didn't have VIP, so let's get touring.
First we have this cute dress that we saw in one of the sneak peek. The togglizari every cute. I can't wait to make outfits for these. We have these cute fur boots. Then we have this gingerbread set, I suppose. It consists of a top, boots and skirt. I am in love with the toggles. This very detailed dress. The togglizari is so cute, it is giving Sabrina Carpenter. This jewelry, I love the headpiece so much. This purse, oh my god, it is gorgeous. Next is my favorite it. I love this armor so much. The toggles. The boots from the gingerbread set, toggles. Next we have this fur boa. It is so elegant. Alright guys, that was excesso de base FUR. Today subscribe FUR more. I want excesso de base doing a giveaway soon. So stay tuned and comment. What o fistula arteriovenosa item is.